Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 14th, today's top 5 US stocks, one standout name from each major sector, fast. First up, Tech Meta climbed plus 2.78% to $594.97. Equity markets are responding to reports that world's biggest chipmaker TSMC's sales surge 45% amid buoyant AI demand. WhatsApp monetization is the next major revenue unlock, still largely untapped outside of India's business messaging push. AI infrastructure spending is heavy, but the ROI is visible in ad performance metrics. Next, healthcare. UnitedHealth dropped sharply minus 1.61% to $399.06. Equity markets are responding to reports that strong RE earnings lift S&P 500, Nasdaq as inflation data calms rate hike jitters, Kitco. After today's weakness, the $387.09 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for UnitedHealth. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. Next, industrials and defense. Lockheed Martin dipped minus 1.44% to $598.01. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 notches record high close as rate hike worries ease. F-35 production deliveries and international order intake are the primary revenue drivers. European NATO rearmament, driven by the 2% of GDP spending target, is a multi-year tailwind for missiles and air defense systems. Next, consumer and retail. Coca-Cola edged higher plus 0.82% to $87.42. Equity markets are responding to reports that strong RE earnings lift S&P 500, Nasdaq as inflation data calms rate hike jitters, Kitco. With Coca-Cola moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $89.61 level above and $85.23 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Next, energy. ExxonMobil dipped minus 0.71% to $158.61. This comes as S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel RE optimism, adding pressure to energy markets. Downstream refinery margins are the swing factor in any quarter where oil prices are range-bound. The low-carbon energy investment is modest relative to peers. Watch for any strategy update that changes the capital allocation mix. Zooming out to the broader U.S. market picture, S&P 500 edged higher plus 0.65% to $7,798.99. That's today's top 5 U.S. stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise market coverage.